What is an order block? Okay, I'm going to go through what it is, how I use it, what my take on it is. I'm not the best person to be learning this from. It's probably better to go watch someone else's video on it. But this is how I see it, and if it can help someone, then fantastic. So I'm going to go through it because I did see one just now. So an order block is basically a price range where orders were filled prior to a big move up. And a lot of financial institutions and big traders will do this and use this. And it typically falls within equilibrium, which is basically, you can measure it how you want, but equilibrium is measured from the swing, swing low or swing low to the swing high. And I mean, this is an order block video, but I'm going to go through this quickly so it makes a bit more sense. So, okay, it's measured from the swing high to the swing low. This is fucking... Every time I record, this shit starts bugging out. Okay, so equilibrium is measured from the swing high to the swing low. And from this middle line, anything in this area here is a premium, and that is where you want to short. And anything down here is a discount, so that is where you want to buy. So a lot of these institutions want to push price all the way down to sweep the liquidity. Then you'll see a move down, a break of structure, and then you'll see a big rally upwards with a lot of momentum. So we'll go on to the 15-minute time frame here to show this example that I found. So here is what I would call order block. So price, there's liquidity here, price sweeps here, you see a break of structure, and the third candle has not been in contact with the top of this candle here. So that is when the order block is valid, and that's when you can actually use it. So I measure it from, okay, I measure it from the top. So if it's a bullish order block, which is here, you measure it from the opening of the candle, and then same with bearish order block. So you want to measure it from the opening of the candle, so the green candle. So you measure it from here, and as this is where a lot of traders and institutions place all of their orders if they are buying, this is also called smart money, so that's where smart money will buy. When price revisits it, you will see a strong reaction because previously there was lots of orders here to cause price to move up like this. So as you see, we have order block, break of structure because it broke above this high here, and then price continued upwards. So that's a, what's the fucking word? It's an inefficiency or anything you want to call it. Everyone has different names for it. But we see obviously price went up. We did have a strong, this is when New York opened, so it was around this time here, I think. Obviously, because I'm in a different country, so it's a bit different. But this is when New York opened, so it's high volatility. Price revisited this area, so it tapped into this order block here, and you can see that price reacted off it, and then now it's going back up. So that's kind of proof that these order blocks do actually work. And I like to use them. I did take a small trade off this, but I wasn't trading very well all day, so I decided to stop trading and make this video instead. So yeah, order blocks is basically you can use it as, it's more like a reversal kind of thing, or you can use it as a continuation. So obviously because gold's been trading so badly, I'm trying to find a example of this. It's quite hard because the market's been so choppy. So no, because the things with order blocks, they have to be unmitigated, or so say this wick was down here, then that order block would not be valid, and price would have likely to continue down to around here and then probably gone up. But again, another reason why order blocks are also so powerful is because usually there's also a low beneath them, which usually also has liquidity resting underneath it. So you can have your stop loss maybe down here, or however you like to have it, and then you can usually target, let's say, probably up here, because often you find order blocks on top of these, which will reverse price, so you won't actually hit your take profit. So hold on a second. Here, no. Sometimes it's hard to find them, but they are quite common. So, so yeah, this one, nah, because it's kind of, I kind of view it as like a three candlestick pattern almost, and it's better to find them in higher time frames. Obviously, switch to a lower time frame and then place your entries, and you can see here that it is. We've seen a clear reaction from this order block, which I've marked out there. Price has gone into it, and then it's straight away reacted off of it, and you can see price going up. There's a small bearish value gap here, which may push price back down, but it's a one-time use. So once an order block's been hit once, it's likely that it won't give a reaction again. So it's better to have it untouched if you want to enter off it. So you're waiting for it to get here, you see it here, you can either enter there. I would have, because yeah, I mean you can see price kind of shooting up right now. So I'm a bit pissed off I didn't actually get into this trade, because I've been trading a little bit shit today, and I really didn't want to risk it because I have lost quite a lot this week. But I'm still profitable on today and yesterday, so we're still good. But I didn't take as much because I wanted to take $10, so I could reinvest it into stocks. And again, it's small numbers because I'm pretty much just focusing on consistency right now. Because I was doing maybe $100 days, 123 I think was my max, and obviously because I'm not that experienced trading yet, it's better for me not to risk it and me try to focus on consistency instead. And I think it works better like that. So I do wish I entered this trade because that would have been a pretty good one, pretty good risk to reward, and it's obviously you can see it clearly works. And I mean, if this helps someone, then fantastic. But it's only a short one today. But I will try to keep up more trading content because I do enjoy making it, but just a lot of the time I just don't have the time. So that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Follow if you want to see more trading videos, and leave a comment. Or if you want to see more of the vlog videos, then leave a comment because some more of that's coming. But I've been very busy recently, so I haven't had time. But have a good day. See you later.